Have you ever looked at a new phone design and thought, wait, why does this feel less like the brand I know and more like someone else's phone? That's exactly how many Samsung fans are feeling right now about the Galaxy S26 series. And if the latest poll is anything to go by, most people are simply not happy with the direction Samsung is taking its flagship phones. Here's the story. For years, Samsung built its own strong identity in the smartphone world. Think of the Galaxy S21 Ultra, the S22 Ultra, or even the S24 Ultra big, boxy, powerful-looking devices that stood out instantly. But now, Samsung is making some bold changes, and fans are divided. A recent poll showed that almost 52% of people don't like where Samsung is going. That's more than half of voters outright saying no to the S26's design changes. About 30% are okay with them, and the rest around 18% say they don't really care. That split alone tells you how controversial this redesign is. So what exactly is Samsung doing? For starters, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is said to be dropping its signature boxy shape. Instead, Samsung is going with rounder edges, and yes, the rear camera bump is making a comeback. Some fans do like this softer, sleeker look, but many are upset because it feels like Samsung is abandoning what made the Ultra models special. The boxy design wasn't just about looks, it gave the Ultra a unique identity that no other phone had. Then there's the Galaxy S26 Edge, which has sparked even more debate. The phone is adopting a massive rear camera module, and if it looks familiar, that's because it closely resembles Apple's iPhone 17 Pro. And you know how people reacted when the iPhone 17 Pro was first revealed. Lots of complaints about the oversized bump. Over time, Apple users warmed up to it. But Samsung fans aren't so sure they want their Galaxy device looking like an iPhone. What makes things even more frustrating for some users is the sense that these changes don't really solve any problem. Minis. Take the Galaxy S25 Edge and the iPhone Air, for example. Many users argue that no one really asked for slimmer phones with smaller batteries. If anything, people want bigger batteries, not less. And yet, companies keep pushing these design choices. Some are worried that Samsung is slowly losing the identity it worked so hard to build. Apple already blurred the lines by making some of its models resemble Google's Pixel phones, and now Samsung seems to be heading down a similar path. For longtime Galaxy fans, this feels like the brand is giving up its individuality to chase trends. Of course, not everyone is against it. Some people do like the fresh look of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. They welcome the rounded corners and even the return of the bump. They see it as a modern update rather than a loss of identity. But the fact that more than half of voters disagree shows just how divisive these decisions are. At the end of the day,